Hi, welcome to my channel, a place you will find useful information on China's social media marketing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship. Please consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. One of the most challenging situations faced by marketers would be how to produce big results with a small marketing budget. If your target audiences are Chinese, this is the marketing channel you should not miss out. Introducing the latest feature of WeChat app 2020, WeChat Channels. What is WeChat Channels? This is the latest feature introduced into WeChat ecosystem in early 2020. It allows WeChat users to create and publish short-form videos or pictures through a media feed. How does it look like? Let's take a closer look at this new feature. Open up the WeChat app and click on Discover. You will notice that the WeChat Channels is right below the WeChat Moment. Once you enter the WeChat Channel function, you will see 3 different tabs in the menu bar. Following tab shows the feeds of the accounts you follow. Friends tab shows the filtered contents most liked by your WeChat friends. Hot tab, which is also the default tab, shows the trendy feeds. On the top right corner, as you can see, you can filter the publisher's location. And also you can check on your account's information. And how does it work? Similar to short video platforms such as TikTok, WeChat Channels allow the users to scroll through the feeds infinitely to discover the contents. Users can like, comment, add posts as their favorites, and share the posts through WeChat chat function or WeChat Moments. There is a search bar at the top of the video feed. Using keywords, the search bar allows you to search for your interested contents and creators. What does that mean to KOLs, brands, and marketers? Well, it provides a great opportunity for traffic. Unlike WeChat official account, which can only reach to its followers, WeChat channel is a better way for your brand to get more exposure on your content. Your contents can be recommended by WeChat to more potential audience. Regarding WeChat algorithm, I will share more topics in the future. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. WeChat channels is very easy to be accessed by WeChat users. Right below the WeChat Moment, one of the most frequently used features in WeChat app, over 80% of WeChat users in China check WeChat Moments every day. This provides a great opportunity for people to explore WeChat channels. How do I create my own channel? Go to WeChat channel, click on the top right, and then you will see my channel. Click on post new activities. It shall allow you to create your own channel by entering your name, gender, your region, and upload a photo. Click on create, and your channel is ready to go. The most amazing fact for WeChat channel is that it's completely for free at the moment. If your business is looking to tap into Chinese market with low marketing budget, and you should not miss out this new feature of WeChat. I hope today's information is helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.